Welcome back to Night Whispers, where quacks echo forever. A duck followed us home from the park. It wouldn't blink. At night it honked backwards. The pond glows under moonlight. One day it whispered, "You're next." I think that duck is not from here. The more I thought about that duck, the stranger things became. My dreams filled with echoing quacks that kept me awake at night. It felt like a harbinger of something impending, something not quite natural. I started noticing odd occurrences, feathers scattered on my doorstep, and the sound of honking echoing through the night. It was as if the duck had marked me, and every night brought a new message from its haunting presence.